When it comes to survey instruments and their accessories, finding the right dealer is crucial. In Laxmi Nagar, there are several dealers that specialize in providing high-quality survey instrument accessories. These dealers understand the importance of precision and accuracy in surveying work and ensure that they offer a wide range of products to meet the needs of professionals in the field. One such dealer in Laxmi Nagar is Scon Design. Scon Design is known for its commitment to customer satisfaction and its extensive selection of survey instrument accessories. Whether you are in need of tripods, poles, prisms, or any other accessory, Scon Design has got you covered. Their knowledgeable staff can help you find the right accessory for your specific needs and provide you with expert advice on how to maximize the performance of your survey instruments. What sets Scon Design apart from other dealers in Laxmi Nagar is their attention to detail and quality assurance. They understand that surveying work requires precision and reliability, which is why they only stock accessories from reputable brands that have a proven track record in the industry. With Scon Design, you can be confident that the accessories you purchase are of the highest quality and will stand up to the demands of your work. In addition to their wide range of accessories, Scon Design also offers competitive pricing. They understand that surveying professionals often work within tight budgets and strive to provide affordable solutions without compromising on quality. By offering competitive pricing, Scon Design ensures that their customers can access the accessories they need without breaking the bank. When it comes to survey instrument accessory dealers in Laxmi Nagar, Scon Design stands out as a reliable and trusted option. Choosing the proper vendor is essential when it comes to survey tools and their accessories. There are numerous businesses in Laxmi Nagar that focus on offering high-quality survey instrument accessories. These dealers make sure they provide a wide choice of products to fulfill the needs of experts in the field because they recognize how important precision and accuracy are in surveying work. Scon Design is one such retailer in Laxmi Nagar. In addition to offering a wide variety of survey instrument accessories, Scon Design is renowned for its dedication to client satisfaction. Whatever attachment you require, tripods, poles, prisms, or anything else, Scon Design has you covered. Their experienced staff can assist you in locating the ideal accessory for your individual requirements and give you with. Finding the proper dealer is essential when purchasing surveying equipment and its related supplies. Numerous retailers in Laxmi Nagar are experts in offering high-quality survey instrument accessories. These suppliers make sure to provide a wide selection of items to satisfy the requirements of experts in the area since they recognize the value of precision and accuracy in surveying work. In Laxmi Nagar, Scon Design is one such retailer. Scon Design is renowned for its dedication to client satisfaction and wide range of survey instrument accessories. Scon Design supplies all the accessories you could possibly need, including tripods, poles, prisms, and more. Your needs will be met by the appropriate accessory, which their skilled staff can assist you in finding.